Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to easily start your Chevy Equinox using its key. First, always confirm your vehicle is securely in park or neutral. This is a crucial safety step before you even touch the key. Next, you'll gently insert your key into the ignition. We'll then turn it to the start position, holding it briefly until the engine fully engages. It's a straightforward process once you know the correct sequence. Your Equinox ignition has several key positions: off, accessory, on, and start. When you insert the key, you'll first turn it to on, which powers up your vehicle's electrical systems. To actually start the engine, you'll continue turning the key clockwise past on to the start position. Hold it there for just a moment, typically 1 or 2 seconds, until you hear the engine catch and begin to run smoothly. Then, simply release the key. Sometimes, your Equinox might not start on the first try. Don't worry. First, double-check that your gear selector is completely engaged in either park or neutral. A common issue is the steering wheel being locked. Gently jiggle the wheel while turning the key to free it. If it still doesn't start, wait about 10 to 15 seconds before attempting to turn the key to start again. This allows the starter motor to cool slightly. For reliable starting, always use the original key designed for your Equinox. Holding the key in the start position for more than 5 seconds can strain the starter motor, so release it promptly once the engine fires. If you consistently experience starting difficulties, it might indicate a battery issue or another mechanical concern. Regular maintenance, like checking your battery and starter, is key to keeping your Equinox starting smoothly every single time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.